How to remove the Peugeot 388 T9 rear door panel and window regulator. Starting off with the window switch plate, on the inside there'll be a little circular cover that you'll need to remove, and underneath there'll be a torque screw. Go ahead and remove this torque screw and then pull out the switch plate, and then you'll need to unplug the window switch by pressing onto this piece here and then pulling it off. To the bottom there is a torque screw that we also need to remove. For this next part, to pull the door panel off, you can use plastic tools and get in between the door and the door panel itself, and then with your fingers pull the bottom out first. It's only held on by clips on the inside. This is if you don't have a clip remover tool. If you do have a clip remover like this, where the clips are, you can feel it. You can go in there and one by one unclip the clips. Keep in mind that these clips can break. So all the way along the bottom, just unclip all the clips as you go. And then once you pull the bottom out and out of place, you need to slide the door panel upwards to detach it from the window sill, like this. And to just show you, these are the clips over here, these white ones, as you can see. Some of them can break, and one tip is, if there's any clips left on the door itself, remove them from the door and put them onto the door panel, as it makes it refitting much easier because they slide onto the door panel and it's just a push on if you do it this way. With the soundproofer, you can cut the adhesive glue with any sort of cutting tool, and then this piece here in the middle, this black piece, it's held on with a clip to the bottom. You unclip, pull the bottom out, and then slide it down to detach. Now the idea is we need to detach the window from the window regulator. There's two of these screws, one on either side, and so to do that you either need to somehow manually bring that down or cut the wire and bring that to a place where you can remove those two screws to detach the window from the window regulator. First we're going to unplug. So pull onto this orange section and then lift off the locking clip, and then you can pull the plug out. If you can't bring the window down, you can remove these 10mm bolts, have the window regulator out of place, and then pull it down so you can still have access to the torque screws. You just need to find a method to bring the window regulator and window down so you can remove those two torque screws on either side. Remove both of these torque screws, and then all that's left to do, so once you remove these screws, one thing I advise you to do is put the window in this up position and then tape it upwards, and then you can remove the window regulator and replace with the new one. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel.